Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in.
Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this stretch and squat board. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this board and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, I just wanted to show you, this is the board right here. You'll notice this section right here is actually kind of this grip tape style design. It has a really good level of grip on it, but it also is nice and heavy duty and high quality, and I like that a lot. But I really do appreciate the good grip that I get when using this board. I wanted to show you though, this is the lowest incline level here, so you can see a good amount of incline there. And then as we raise it, you can just simply increase incline levels by lifting it up. And the highest incline level would be this level right here. And you can see a really nice steep incline there. Now, one thing I did want to mention about this board is you can just go ahead and fold it up, and it does store really nice and easy, nice and flat there. And it even has a handle there you could go ahead and pick up as well. Now, they do come with some bands here, which is pretty cool. I appreciate that they have these kind of exercise bands here. They have kind of different varying intensities of the stretch that the band actually offers. But overall, I think this is a really nice, high quality little set, and I would highly recommend it.
Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.